2, 3, check! Hello everybody, this is my YouTube channel and you have seen a couple of my videos already, and today we are baking cupcakes from Disney, and we are going to be doing on a cake, but you're going to do these little cake rollers, but we're going to do these today. We have an on. Now it's making cakes. We are going to put this in this bowl so we can make cake. I think we're about to do the egg. Let's pour it in this bowl. Now we're going to pour the water in. Now we are done blending it. Now we are going to do the whisk, and it's white and pink. It's got the silver pink color. We're done with our 4 cakes. Now we're going to put them in the oven and we can see the oven. And my mummy's going to bake the cakes now. One, 2, 3. Tell me when to stop. Okay.
That's it. Stop.
Cake bake. Then snow. You see, guys, this looks like snow, but it is ice.
Mix it.
Just turn into a big block. So if they have still the cake mix, that means they're not done, they need to go back in the oven. And now we're gonna see if they kind of.
Okay.
Shiny.
And do that one. All the way in. That's it. And take it out. Does that look nice? They are done. Yeah? Happy?
Put the ice in the cake. breaking the cakes and they look like this. But I only did 3 because because this is my plain cake and I don't want any icing on my cake or these, but I don't like to eat them on my own. So I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you subscribe for my channel. Bye.